Did you think I'd forgotten you? Perhaps you hoped I had.
Content creation across filmmaking and OTT shows is about perfection. To make this content accessible to global markets, films and OTT shows get dubbed in multiple languages. And this creates a huge problem: visual discord.
आपने क्या सोचा मैं आपको भूल गया? मेरे ख्याल से आप यही चाहते थे.
The dubbed content looks unreal and unrelatable because visual and audio cues are not in sync, compromising the entire viewing experience. But making content look visually authentic in every single language of the world is a problem that no amount of artistic and human effort can solve. That's why Neural Garage has developed proprietary technology, VisualDub, that syncs lips and jaw muscles with the dubbed audio, as if the actors have originally spoken those lines themselves.
आपने क्या सोचा मैं आपको भूल गया? मेरे ख्याल से आप यही चाहते थे.
This is inspired by the universal relationship between phonemes and visemes. Phonemes are the fundamental unit of human sound, and the unique lip shape corresponding to a particular phoneme is called a viseme. For example, the sound V in VisualDub is a phoneme, and this lip shape is its corresponding viseme. By using these fundamental units of speech, we can represent any language, thus making the process language agnostic. Now trained on billions of data points, our AI algorithms have learned a set of features which represent an exhaustive phoneme-viseme map. This allows us to get precise control over lip movements using audio as the sole controller. But you don't need to understand all of this to use VisualDub. Using VisualDub is fairly simple. VisualDub accepts two sets of inputs, an input voice and your pre-shot video. Firstly, we detect and track the human faces across a video segment and extract dense facial features. Parallelly, we process the input dubbed voice to extract features which represent our audio phonetic dictionary. In the second step, our phonetic audio features are mapped to dense motion vectors, which are ultimately responsible for creating lip structures called visemes. These motion vectors are fed as inputs to the decoder, along with the dense facial features. In the final step, our decoder generates a high-quality face video, which not only retains the quality of the input face in the scene background, but also applies the motion vectors to transform the lip, chin, and jaw muscles such that they're in sync with the input audio.
पता है ये लंबी सी मेट्रो लाइन क्यों बनी? Ever wondered why this long metro line was built? India बनता रहेगा, तो आगे बढ़ता रहेगा. We believe that to keep growing, India needs to keep building.
Be it a close, mid, or wide shot, single character or multi, static or motion, brightly or dimly lit, our technology delivers the perfect lip sync, natural expressions, visual integrity across frames and temporal zones, 100% color and detail retention, EXR-compatible quality for seamless workflows, and compatible with every resolution, from cinema halls to mobile phones. And since VisualDub can directly work on any pre-shot footage, it doesn't need any additional shooting equipment in production, nor does it need 3D scanning or hours of footage of the actors to train their data. So if you're planning to localize your content for global audiences by dubbing it, don't just dub, VisualDub.